channel. Like and subscribe to my channel. Today I am doing lip balm.
You're going to make your own lip balm?
Yeah.
So, are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
What have we got inside?
Yeah, but we don't have the lid.
There's lid in there.
Yeah, but the lip balm from here. You know the lip balm
as
from
well.
it? Yeah.
That's the lip balm.
Yeah, but where's the lip balm stuff?
We're going to make it.
Where's the lip balm stuff?
Yeah, we're going to make it. So you've got an activity book.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to make...
Oh, do you have a bag now?
Let me have a quick look. This is how we're going to make it.
Serious? I will hold it now
Okay.
for the bath.
First, we're going to make a very easy lip balm. Okay?
Really careful when you take this out.
Very carefully take it out. Okay, that is the strawberry drop
Oh, very short.
to make it smell nice. What pot are you going to use? Blue or pink? Pink first.
Yeah, you like pink.
Yeah.
And you like red. Red.
Okay, well done.
Mom, I am really drunk.
Yep.
Okay, I got a big muscle like my dad.
Yeah, so put 2 drops in.
One,
1, 2, that's it.
and 3.
No, that's enough. Yep. Now you need to mix it. And
2 pieces.
Yeah, and that's how you make your lip balm. This is a basic lip balm. Well done.
This is my basic lip balm now.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Put it on your lips. Oh, that's nice. Should we do your scrub now?
See?
Mmm.
Can you smell it?
What does it smell like?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. Should we do your scrub now?
Once again, now I have to do a coconut grub.
Okay, so again, we take some of the lip balm, put it in here.
Yeah, all of it.
Not all of it, just a little bit. Like before. Good job, well done.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. Now you get the white sugar.
Now can I make this?
Yeah.
Got it.
Don't need that.
Now can I go put this in the kitchen then?
Yeah. Well done. Now you mix it together. Okay. Now you get your coconut oil
Yeah.
and you put in a little bit of coconut oil at a time. Not too much, just a little bit. Use your spoon.
Hold this bit.
Yeah, good job. Good job. Now you use your stirrer and you mix it. And then if you think you need more coconut oil, you put more in.
Okay.
Now you need to put some more oil in.
All of it?
No, just a little bit. Use your spoon, remember?
Again.
Always use your spoon, yeah. Good job.
Now we do tea again.
Yeah.
In a minute. Do we do this?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're coming into your scrub now.
Yeah.
Well done.
Now do you know your tiger one?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it before you can wax and paint it?
Yeah.
But where is it? Mom, do you know I was touching it in my bedroom?
Yeah.
And it fell down. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? This is my coconut grub.
Really? Do you want to
Yeah.
try some?
With the pink one.
So you put that on first, a little bit. And you put it on your lips. And you scrub it into your lips. Good job.
I should have white coconut.
You have to wash it off now.
Bye, Water Girl. I will see you next time.